Hi, my name is Mithyl and I am a YouTube and video creation coach. This channel is all about how to create videos, to tips and tricks related to video marketing, how to set up your own YouTube channel, how to generate leads through email marketing, some ideas about chatbot marketing, Facebook marketing, how to create your own courses, online courses, and little bit about affiliate marketing. So basically, this channel is for entrepreneurs, influencers, online course creators, people who have an idea or a product and they want to market in the online world through videos. So basically, my job over here is to help you create videos and 10x your business through videos. So let's get started and learn lots and lots things about video marketing and how to create videos. However, you must be thinking, why should I create videos where I am good with maybe writing blogs, articles, or maybe images? Well, let me tell you, a piece of video speaks more words than any other medium altogether. I was like you initially. I was also scared to come and face the camera. So if you do have that particular problem also and have a challenge of how to face the camera and what to speak, how to speak, so this channel is all about that. I'm also going to show you certain tricks and hacks of content creation also. So altogether, this is one platform, a channel which is going to help you to master your art of video creation. All right, so let's get started.